I can say it is beautiful. I highly recommend it, but you got to be in shape or somewhat in shape. I mean, you don't have to be super fit.
It's just a start.
Poor guy said she does it 3 times a day.
Inhale, exhale. Hey guys, it's me, Susie Kelly, the hot mama. For today's video, we are going to the waterfalls.
What's the name of it?
Aurora Falls, guys. Right. Are you excited?
I'm excited, yeah.
This is his first time.
Yep.
All right. Are you guys ready to go there? Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna take them along with us to show them what it's like.
All right. Okay. See you there. Bye. Yummy. We need some energy, guys. We stop here in 7-Eleven. Drink. I got the Gatorade and David got
Red Bull.
Red Bull. Yeah, I can't drink that. I have palpitation with that. So that's why I get the Gatorade. This is my second time to go that waterfalls. Because I used to go to the other one, which is original Aurora Falls and Tutin Falls. So now we decided to go to the, the tallest Aurora Falls. Yeah, it's been a while, guys. Finally, we can do adventure. Yeah, this is, we're gonna buy mango here. This is the good mango. Let me choose.
You know the best one.
Yeah, I will choose. Let me choose. Pili lang, ma.
Ready to eat?
Yeah.
Pili lang.
I can smell.
Yeah.
When it's very sweet. Yeah, that's really good.
Pero ug man siya tamis na kayo.
Tomorrow though, this is gonna be like very sweet tomorrow. Oh my green ito.
Gablag ka, ma'am?
Oh, gablag. Hello, welcome to my guys. Say hi to my guys.
Thank you
Hello.
for buying the mango.
Oh, if you wanna buy mango,
Here.
this side going to Valencia. What's the name?
It's Talay.
Talay
Yeah.
place. Oh, if
Going to Valencia.
you give us 160 pesos per kilo. 1 kilo, babe?
Yeah. Do you have a knife?
How much is that? Oh,
Kanang tamis. Kanang ko nang hinog slice na dai.
kanang hinog kayo.
Okay, na. Ano lima okay siya yung nawo.
Kana.
Na.
Kanang tikas ko. Ay, oh, tikas. Then konkuan na, boy. There you go, babe. Oh my goodness.
Nakuan.
Yeah. That's good. Try.
Eat it with the skin.
Yep. Ay pahul man gani ko anang kon mura siya gi kon ba hiwa sa tunga. Look at this.
Pwede ikana
You have to flip like that.
Tamis?
It's sweet.
Sweet?
Yeah, it's good.
Sweet like me.
Yeah.
Yummy, baby. Yeah, it's really sweet. Yeah. Let's try. It's really sweet. This is good for mango float. Let me just leave it
Ano
here.
na yan? Kuan na basura yan.
Yeah, give it to her.
Give me your garbage.
Nah. Yeah. It's really sweet. I know that when it's when it's sweet, when it's right, it smells like to Valencia. Okay, we have just keep going straight and then turn right.
Okay.
Yeah. It's white. Okay. All right, we are ready to rumble. We are ready to walk there. It's been a while that I don't come here. I didn't visit here. Yeah, this is the way going to Mount Talines to Camp Gangis View Deck, 300 meters. Yeah, we used to walk there. You know, I bring the kids there before. So we have to pay here for the pack.
20 pesos each.
20. Bali mo na siya, bali entrance radre.
Oh.
Okay.
5 pesos.
Hey guys, you know what? We need a tour guide. That's what they said. You know, I don't really like a tour guide, but this is the protocol here because they have an accident here. But you know, I really hate to be with guide, to be honest, because you know,
It's not her fault.
yeah.
It's the tour guide's fault.
Well, we just follow the rules, guys. So yeah, we have to do it.
They're gonna be beautiful no matter what.
Yeah, of course. Okay, look. So that's our tour guide right there.
Yeah, she's a nice lady.
Yeah. Careful. Yeah, all you have to do here, guys, is you have to be careful because at this time it's really, really slippery. Look. See? That's why I mean, every time that I walk, I have to use shoes because it's more comfortable for me. And, you know, it's easy to move. I don't want to wear a slipper. But look at David. David is wearing slipper right there.
Yep.
Careful, babe.
Oh, that's setting a good shoes.
Yeah. This is good exercise. How many steps is this?
335 steps.
335 steps, guys. You hear that? You gotta be really strong. Good luck later on the way back.
Well, going down's not bad.
Yeah.
When you get back up, that's gonna be the fun part.
Yeah, you gotta be like, hey. Hangal. I'm asking her if there's people in the waterfalls, but there's nobody.
It's a slow day.
I think so. But na yung mga kwan gani ha. But yeah, they have also tourists earlier. You see?
Did it look like this the last time you were here?
Yeah. But babe, the first time that I'm here, I was climbing the stones and it was really fun. I like it. Yeah, I was climbing. Yeah, I was jumping into the big stones, you know.
Are you gonna swim?
Maybe.
If it's not too cold?
Yeah. Why not? Coconut. How about you? You don't bring any. You don't bring.
In. I'm going all the way in.
Okay. Yeah, I think you have to take, you know, to take a swim, babe.
Yeah,
I will try.
If
I'm
for a reason.
Yeah, I'm ready. Look, I'm wearing my swimsuit. So
I don't know if the video shows it, but this is straight down a mountainside here.
Pero dili ni siya may original taga-Waterfall lang.
na dili lagi sa pikas man ang kuan pero mas taas ta gani.
Yes, ma'am. Kani
Ganahan man ko dito sa Tutin Falls, dito magkukutig adtuan.
ang original, ma'am,
Tutin.
Ito sa ibabaw.
La, malagi. I told you, babe, the original Casara Falls is the one that I told you. Yeah. Make a short video. Careful. You know what, guys? I think it's good to have a tour guide because if you're not really sure where you can, you know, if you can really find the way going to the waterfalls, so yeah, I think it's really worth it, you know, because there's a part that there's no bridge, you know, like a bamboo bridge, something like that, because most of them are broken. Yeah, and especially when it's flooding. Look at this bamboo right here. Oh, pretty. Wow. Remember lagi ko sa una, gasakasaka ko ng mga dagkong bato.
Delikado naman pagkadireron, ma'am, kaya ngaran nga weather. Ganulan, mahumukan ng yuta, na yung mga bato nga mga ulog. Advantage sila po muna
Okay, magguan man no, kanang mag-landslide unya.
Kung ba magudlaw na dili sila kabulugan sa muagi ko at kilid-kilid sila na yung mga part dira nga
Delikado nga maghang. Oh.
daghan ka bato.
Ano lang yun.
Oh, na siya nga. Kuan.
You know what? Later, we gonna remove I will remove my shoes because we have to cross the water.
Yeah, that's why I think.
Yeah, but I can leave my shoes right. I can bring just easy. I can manage.
Pwede rin pili mo sapatos sa datin.
Oh, sa kilid ra, no? Karon di na ako magkuan-kuan.
Para di ka maglitin.
Gani. Ooh, tug down! Babe, I just touched the water and it's really cold. Tabi-tabi po. Ini gining kuan bukan mga nature cake. Puro green yung makita. Green, yellow. Ni wala pa gani ni.
Gaba pa man eh.
Oh, wala pa ni. Last time they don't have this, babe. Look. Muni nga part nga maghubo.
Ha? Oh, dire. Ini ba mo patos naman?
Okay, now I'm gonna remove my shoes. I'll just leave my shoes here. Bye, shoes.
We leave the shoes here?
No, you can bring yours. I'm not just gonna leave mine.
Kasi mapalos nang iyamang kay medyo kusog-kusog ang current sa
Be
tubig.
careful with your slipper because maybe, you know, because the water is very, very, you know,
Sunod
the
ra mo
pressure.
na ako mama kay ako ra pong itudlo ninyo ang tumban kay nanay upang bato nga mogimo.
Okay. It's okay.
Okay ra na ako.
Yeah, be careful with this right here. Kailangan tumutalay hangin. Baka kang biyak.
Bantay mga danlog kayo.
Yeah. Be careful there because you cannot step here. It's really very... You want me to get it?
Let me get the bag.
Yeah. Yeah, because you know, maybe... Just step underneath. Yeah. Careful, yeah, because it's slippery. It's good for me to walk in the stone because I don't have the shoes. Look, I'm barefoot now. I'm a jungle girl. I'm a jungle girl now. I don't have my shoes.
Yeah, look at you.
Woo! 1, 2, 3. There you go. Amazing. Woohoo! Comment down below if you like it, guys. Look at that.
There's a foreign guy from France that slipped in the rock and then he couldn't walk way back.
Wow, how'd they get him out? They carry him?
Yeah, we carry them.
Wow. Up those steps?
Yeah,
Wow.
and it's very tiring
Yeah.
thing to do.
How
Carrying
many
up
people did it take? Like 4?
6 people because he's bigger than you and
Wow.
taller than you.
Did he break his leg or something?
Yeah, I think it's left hip, so
Wow.
he cannot move his left foot.
Yeah, it's very dangerous.
Yeah.
That's why I'm being
Especially that part, it's very slippery, so we have to be more careful.
Okay. Makes sense. That's where there's a good picture is right there.
You can stand up in that rack at the front. Yeah, but you have to be more careful because that's very slippery.
So David, what can you say about this Kasaro Falls?
I can say it is beautiful. I highly recommend it, but you got to be in shape or somewhat in shape. I mean, you don't have to be super fit because you can take your time and still go there. There's some 2 creek crossings that's got a lot of current, and so you just got to be really careful about that. Wear some good shoes. But the fun part's about to begin because we have 300 some stairs to go straight up a mountain. Show them, baby, right here.
Right there.
300 stairs straight up.
Yeah, we're going now.
That's the fun part. So yes, I highly recommend coming here for sure. It was.
Yeah, we will come back.
Yeah. Now, ask me again after I go up these stairs. Then I may have a different answer.
Okay then.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, guys. Ready, my legs. Warm up. We did already warm up, babe. Yeah, let me put my backpack right here. You can carry me?
I can carry you up here.
Okay.
You might be carrying me, to be honest. You might be carrying me.
I cannot carry you, babe. You're so heavy. You're big. You're Papa Bear.
Exactly.
This is just a start. Yeah, the tour guide here, guys, she did 3 times a day. Wow. One, two, three. Did you count?
No, you.
I thought that he's counting, guys. No. Hee hee hee. Oh no, me, oh no, we'll go first. But you know what? You wanna take a break? Let's take a break. No. Let's go.
Brakes are for horses. No, I'm just kidding. We're probably gonna need a break.
Maybe up there. Bukan tong ilong anime. This is a leg day. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. You wanna rest here?
We can.
Okay, let's go.
It's up to you.
Okay. Hey guys, we made it so quick. I'm so proud of my baby. He's not stopping.
Yeah, 300 steps, no break.
Yes.
Or 350, no break.
I'm so proud of you, babe. Okay.
I was on a mission. When I started coming up the steps, I'm not stopping. You're going to have to carry me out of here before I stop. And I did it. It was hard, but I did it.
Yeah, I'm so proud of you. Yeah, it's a good exercise.
The tour guide, she's like, I'm not used to this. I'm used to taking breaks coming up through here.
That's why I keep asking, like, you want to stop? No, okay. Just keep going.
Well, you got to give her a tip,
Yeah,
extra
yeah,
tip.
yeah. Woo. Okay,
She did good,
so we're gonna end this vlog then. Alright, so if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next vlog, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.